Hello? Hello? Oh my goodness. Is this Miss Weinkauf's class calling me? She told me I might have to go on today for her. Is her voice still terrible? Ugh. Alright, well, y'all are in luck. Miss Crysneeze is here to save the day, as usual, for Miss Weinkauf. Miss Weinkauf, be a dear. Could you please put my picture up for the children to see? I'm sure that they are very curious as to what I look like, and I want to make sure that they feel like I'm in the room since I can't be there today. Alright, anytime now. You could put it up. Yep, anytime. What? What is that? Who is that? That is not me. You are so funny, Miss Weinkauf. No, do the picture I sent. You have it. I sent it on an email. Check your phone. Ugh. There it is. Yes, children, I know. I'm a model. A surprise. So this is me, Miss Crysneeze. A few things about myself. I love long walks on the beach. Love watching the sunset. My favorite ice cream is Rocky Road. And love me a good book. Math, not my favorite, but you know what, for Miss Weinkauf, I will do it. Alright, so, big thing, need to make sure that you have all your materials for today. We are not going to be doing whiteboards because that is not my forte. It's not my expertise. That's Miss Weinkauf's deal. So all you're going to need today to be successful is a pencil. That's it. And maybe that workbook thing you have. I think it's purple. I don't know, but you might need that at the end of class. Alright, so here's what you need to do. Oh, hold on. Miss Weinkauf, where's the name tag? I specifically sent a name tag for you to wear today because I am helping you out. Go grab it, please. Go grab it. Make sure she grabs it. Yes, put that on. Give it a little pat. Perfect. All right. Miss Weinkauf is going to be my Vanna White today, but you guys are too young to know what that is. So she's going to be my helper. She is going to write on the board for me. She might pass some things out for you because I can't be there. But be nice to her. Okay, she's got that sad voice thing happening right now, okay? So we gotta be nice, let her get that voice back. Alright, so now we're ready to go. My helper, Miss Weinkauf, is going to pass out a word find to you. Do not flip it over until I say go. Do not flip it over. I hate cheaters. Alright, I heard you did this earlier this week, but your buzzer is going to be your name. When you find all the words, circle them, highlight them, put a line through them. I do not care. But once you find them, your buzzer word is your name, okay? And then Miss Weinkauf will come and help you out, my little helper that she is, and check your answers and make sure they are correct. And then there will be a prize for those fancy little winners. Miss Weinkauf, how many winners do we have? 5. No, we're not doing 5. That's too many. No. Okay, fine, 3. We'll do 3 winners. Okay, so call her over when you're done, and we'll get you a prize if you have them all right. All right, get to it, children. Here we go. All right, that was so much fun. Now we got to get down to some math business. So put your word find to the side. I know it's distracting. I know we want to do them, but we need to do some math. We are going to be talking about all things with unit price today. So our focus today is I can choose and create diagrams to help me reason about prices. I can explain what the phrase at this rate means, using prices as the example. If I know the price of multiple things, I can find the price per thing. That's going to be our biggest focus today. If I give you a total price for 5, 6, 7 items, can you tell me how much for one item? All right, and we're going to make sure we go through this over and over and over so you feel confident by the end of class today. All right, Ms. Weinkauf, helper, please pass out all the worksheets for today's lesson. As you get your worksheet, please put your name on it. Make sure you got that handy dandy pencil. All right, you might also, I didn't put this on there, but you might also want a calculator. So everybody grab your calculator as well. We are going to need those. Come on, Miss Weinkauf, hurry up. You're very slow. All right. Are you ready now? No? How about now? Okay. Do 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 do. All right now? Okay, great. Here we go. So on your worksheet, first thing you're going to see, if you're looking on the right side where your name is a warm-up. Okay, we're not going to the board today. You're doing it on your paper. For this warm-up, you've got 4 questions to answer. On the top right, you will see the price per pound of bananas at Walmart. Okay, so you can buy 1 pound of bananas for 29 cents. The first question, how much would 3 pounds of bananas cost? Okay, you're not answering yet. I'm going to go through the questions and then we'll give you some work time. Then you're going to answer, well, how much would 5 pounds cost? How much would half a pound cost? And how many pounds of bananas can you buy with $4? All right, we're going to give you about 5 minutes to try this warm-up, see how you do. Ready, steady, go. All right, so coming back, we're going through. How much would 3 bananas cost? Ms. Weinkauf, do you have your board marker? You can do it on the whiteboard or you can do it on this board. I don't care what you do, Ms. Weinkauf. Just as long as my favorite star students here can see your work. All right, so how much would 3 bananas cost? Somebody raise your hand and tell us, what did you do? Yep, pick that kid. Yep, that one. Okay. Oh, I love it. Great idea. All right, so we're going to add 29 3 times. Beautiful. All right, Ms. Wyckoff, you've got it from here. Answer question 2, 3, and 4 with the kiddos, and then I'll be back. I'm going to go get a little snack. Some water. All right. I am refreshed and ready to go. Are you all ready? Okay. So, looks like we crushed our warm-up. I hope we're all feeling a little bit better about finding the price of our bananas. On your worksheet, we're going to go through a couple examples of buying items in bulk and figuring out how much for one. Okay, our big question is how much for one? So, first problem on your worksheet. You can buy 3 bottles of water for $2.75 at Holiday gas station. There are 3 waters. Our job is to figure out, well, how much for one of them. Okay? You might be able to guess and check. Pick some numbers. Like 50 cents. Does that work? Well, 50 plus 50 plus 50 is only $1.50. We're trying to get to $2.75. We could be here forever trying to guess numbers and adding them 3 times. So instead, on your paper, I set up for you an equation. So you're always going to look for the total, either the total objects or the total cost. Okay? And then you will divide that in your calculator by how many you have to get the unit price. Then below, we are able to make a statement about how much per one water bottle. So I want you to look at your paper. I don't want to go back and forth in my slides, but if you look at your paper, I told you how much did the 3 water bottles cost. Everybody shout it out. Okay, let's try that again. Everybody shout it out. Beautiful. All right, so in that first box, we should write $2.75. Ms. Wyckoff, write that down. All right. Then we are dividing by how many we have. Well, how many water bottles can we buy at that price? 1, 2, 3, 3. So you're going to put a big old 3 in the middle. Ms. Wyckoff, do that. Okay. So in your calculators, everybody's got a calculator. At least Ms. Wyckoff tells me that. You're going to do $2.75 divided by 3 equals, do not blurt it out. I repeat, do not blurt it out. Raise your hand when you've got that answer. Ms. Wyckoff will call on you to see if we all agree. All right. Ms. Wyckoff, can you call on somebody? Anybody? Anybody? Bueller? Okay, they got what? All right. If you agree with that price, please give a good old dab. Beautiful. Love it. Those of you that don't agree, check your calculator. Did you do $2.75 first? If you did 3 divided by $2.75, you might have got a different number. We did the total cost, $2.75 divided by 3. So then in the bottom, I can write the price would be in my sentence frame. I should have, like, we're going to round our number, right? So like 92 cents per water bottle. Perfect. And you know what? That makes sense. I know Miss Wyckoff asked you this question a lot, if math makes sense. Because does it make sense that each bottle should be less than $1? For sure. Because if each water bottle is $1, it'd be 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is $3. And we know our total price is under $3. So therefore, whatever we get, the number should be less than $1. All right, next one. Here we go. The price of 4 avocados is $3.56 at Target. That's legit, people. I did some research. All right, so now we want to figure out how much per avocado. How much for one? So what was my total cost? It's on your paper. Don't worry about my slide. Look at your paper. Read the problem. How much did 4 avocados cost? Shout it out. $3.56. Good job. So we're going to write that in the total. Ms. Wyckoff, write that down. All right, then we're going to divide by how many we have. How many avocados can we get at that price? 4. Nice job. So I am now going to divide in my calculator. You are going to do in your calculator. $3.56 divided by 4. Okay, when you have an answer, raise your calculator. Oh, let's see who's listening. When you have your answer, raise your calculator. All right, Ms. Wyckoff, call on somebody. Anybody. Anybody. What'd they get? What'd you get? What'd you get? Beautiful. Well, I hope you said 89 cents. You better say 89 cents. All right, so then at the bottom, we're going to write 89 cents per avocado. So 1 avocado costs 89 cents. Beautiful. Nice work. All right. We're going to pause there for a second. Ms. Wyckoff, these kids have been working really hard. Can we play a game? Let's play a game. I want to play 1 to 10. Please tell them, how do we play 1 to 10? I'm going to go get another snack because I'm feeling it.